Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Write the decimal value of the fraction 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 we can see here in denominator we have two zeros. So let us draw or let us make the table according to that. So let us write the decimal point. There are two zeros in the denominator, so we will write tens and hundreds here in the table. Now let us place all the values. So first of all, decimal point representation is this. Now we have 1 in the numerator, so that will come in hundreds place, and then the remaining will be filled with 0. So finally we can say that 1 by 100 can be written as 0.01 as the decimal. So this is our answer.